Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically link lost media on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this video here and I added it to my CapCut like so. And I'm just going to quickly delete that and I'm going to close the app. And I'm going to move it to another folder like this. So it's under videos now. So to link the lost media, I'm going to open CapCut again. And I'm going to open up the project first. Okay, it's still going. I don't know why it's still here. Hold on, let me just actually add this to the timeline first. I might have to actually like delete the file. Oh, I did not delete the file from this folder. Sorry, I forgot to do that. Okay, so as you can see, this will show up link media. You can select link media when selecting a folder, and you're going to select link media when you have opened the file again. Select link media and then open to where your folder is, like this one, for instance. Select the file and then select open. And as you can see, now the media is linked. And that's pretty much it. If it's not available, you have to like right click it here and then link to media. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!